I know there is good in you.
Request for backup! Immediate help!
No, no, no!
Corey! Come to the sound of my voice!
You're safe now.
Brightburn.
I want to do good, Mom. I do.
Coming soon.